Winter Haven, known for its charming neighborhoods and beautiful landscapes, offers a pleasant place to call home. However, when the colder months roll around, homeowners can often face the challenge of keeping their homes warm and energy efficient. While many factors contribute to your home's comfort, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing new windows. Not only can they enhance the overall aesthetic of your home, but they also provide significant benefits that contribute to a more comfortable living environment, especially during those chilly Florida winters. Energy efficiency. A major upgrade. One of the primary benefits of upgrading your windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass, can allow cold air to seep inside and warm air to escape. This can lead to increased energy usage as your heating system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. The result? Higher energy bills in a home that still feels cold and drafty. Newer, energy-efficient windows are designed with multiple panes of glass and special coatings that help regulate the temperature inside your home. These modern windows feature insulating layers that trap air between the panes, acting as a barrier against the outside cold. This helps keep your living spaces cozy without overworking your heating system. In fact, by installing new windows, many homeowners can see a noticeable decrease in their monthly energy costs. Enhanced comfort and temperature regulation. No one wants to deal with temperature fluctuations in their own home, and older windows can be a big culprit in creating uneven temperatures. Whether you have a sunroom that gets chilly or a living room that's always drafty, new windows can help to maintain a consistent, comfortable temperature throughout your entire house. Double or triple pane windows provide better insulation, which helps to regulate indoor temperatures. These windows reduce the transfer of heat from the outside, ensuring that the warmth generated by your heater stays inside where it's needed. As a result, your home will feel more evenly heated, and you can avoid hot or cold spots that make your space uncomfortable. Reduced noise pollution. Another often overlooked benefit of new windows is the reduction in noise pollution. Winter Haven may offer tranquility, but depending on your location, traffic noise, outdoor events, or even neighborhood activity can disrupt the peaceful environment inside your home. When you install high-quality windows, you'll notice a significant decrease in the amount of noise entering your home. New windows with soundproofing properties or better seals can block out unwanted external sounds, creating a quieter, more serene atmosphere. Whether you're working from home, enjoying a movie night, or simply seeking rest, new windows will contribute to a quieter indoor environment, allowing you to focus or relax in peace. Increased home value and curb appeal. Investing in new windows does more than just improve your comfort. It can also add value to your Winter Haven home. High-quality, modern windows are a sought-after feature for potential buyers, especially those looking for energy efficiency and enhanced aesthetics. The right windows can give your home an updated look while providing excellent functionality. Additionally, new windows can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Whether you choose windows with a modern design or those that match the classic charm of your home, They can make a huge difference in how your property looks from the outside. This is a great investment not just for your personal enjoyment but also if you plan on selling your home in the future. Reduced maintenance and improved durability. Older windows can require frequent maintenance due to issues like draftiness, condensation, or warping. New windows are designed with materials that are more resistant to the wear and tear caused by weather and age. These windows often feature weather-resistant seals, which protect against leaks, moisture buildup, and drafts, making them more durable and easier to maintain. For example, many modern windows come with self-cleaning coatings or are made from materials that resist staining and scratching. This reduces the amount of time and effort spent on upkeep, allowing you to focus on enjoying your home. The bottom line: in Winter Haven, comfort is key, especially when the weather turns cooler. New windows can provide substantial benefits, from enhanced energy efficiency to reduced noise and a more consistent indoor temperature. Not only will they improve your home's comfort and aesthetic, but they also offer long-term savings and increased property value. If you're ready to make your home more comfortable and energy efficient this winter, consider investing in new windows. With all the advantages they bring, it's an upgrade that will make a lasting difference for years to come.